So here we are starting with asanas in practical form. First, we'll do Tadasana. In Tadasana, you have to lift your hands slowly upward and then go onto your toes. Lift your full body on your toes and support your body for a few minutes. Stay in this position and breathing should be done slowly by slowly. In this asana, it helps to maintain the height, to increase height, and it helps to increase height. Next asana is Padmasana. In this asana, you go down, you sit flat on the ground, then you lift your right leg on your thigh and left leg on the other side of your thigh and relax with your hands kept open. Okay, in this you can do it as a mudra form or you can just simply sit in relaxed position. Keep your body upright, your spinal straight so that you can think. Now very important in this asana is see that you are able to breathe. Okay, your breathing should be comfortable. Second thing, remember those who cannot fold your legs, you should not force this position as it can give trouble for you for the future. And future, in fact, your muscles and all can pain, right? So this is Padmasana. Please see the posture clearly. Now relax. Then you have Vajrasana. In this asana, you sit down with your legs straight. Then your right leg, you take it behind, as you can see. Then put your weight on that leg and then take your other leg backward and sit on your legs comfortably and get into relaxed position, keeping your spine ekdam straight. Right? In this asana, breathing is necessary. This asana helps to improve the stretching and the relaxation of the waist, the thighs and the calves. Right? This asana can be done for a few minutes and relax after that. Fine? This is Bhujangasana. In the Bhujangasana, you lie down flat on your stomach. Right? Remember, all the asanas have to be done in a slow position, keeping your body straight, and then slowly by slowly pressing your waist down and lift your body with the help of your hands and breathing in a comfortable manner. This helps in good digestion for the stomach, and of course breathing is necessary. Right? You can do this asana in intervals, and always remember asanas have to be done on an empty stomach. Right? Relax. Now in this asana, it's no Trikonasana. In this asana, you open your hands out straight, then open your legs out so that you can balance your body. In this, remember one thing, you have to open your legs out more. Now, you can start with any one side. You go with your right side down, touching your right leg. Yes, see that your knees are kept straight and looking up to the sky. Right? This is called Trikonasana. Why? Because it is 3 points, that is 2 legs and 1 hand facing into the sky direction. Right? Relax. Come back in position. Hands down. Now, same asana on the other side. Right? Open your hands slowly and bend on the opposite side. Right? As you can see this asana helps in stretching of the legs, the waist, the spine and also the stomach. Always remember, whenever you're doing any asanas, see that you're on an empty stomach. Right? Fine. Relax.